Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to sort from Splice app. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above here you will search about Splice and you will click. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Splice and you will enter. And then here you will update your app if you find updates. So please don't forget to support us by like and